Do you struggle to understand English when people speak fast? What if I told you that you can train your ears and understand English like a native? Hello, everyone. I am Leo Darren, and welcome to Leo English Channel. Today, I will share my journey and methods on how I master English listening. Many people think listening is the hardest skill in English. They say, I cannot understand anything, or native speakers talk too fast. But I will show you step by step how listening can become simple, fun, and very effective. Step 1. Start with easy listening. When I started, I listened to simple English sentences. I did not try to understand everything at first. I focused on words I already knew. For example, I listened to, "Hello, how are you? I like pizza. She goes to school every day." I repeated the sentences many times. This helped me recognize words quickly when I heard them. Step 2. Listen every day. Listening is like training your ears. The more you listen, the better you get. I made a habit every day 15 to 30 minutes of listening. I used short podcasts, English songs, simple YouTube videos. Even if I understood only half of the words, it was okay. The important thing is to listen regularly. Step 3. Use subtitles carefully. Subtitles are very helpful, but do not always read them. First, try to listen without reading. Then, check the subtitles to see what you missed. For example, I watched a video. First time, I hear some words, but not all. Second time with subtitles, oh, now I understand everything. This method trains your ears and your brain at the same time. Step 5. Focus on sounds, not words. Sometimes we read a word and know it perfectly, but when we hear it, it sounds different. For example, water sounds like water. Going to sounds like gonna. I practiced listening to the natural way people speak, not just textbook English. This helped me understand real conversations. Step 5. Listen and repeat, shadowing. Shadowing is a powerful method. You listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it. You try to copy the rhythm, pronunciation, and grammar. For example, audio, I am going to the market tomorrow. Me, I am going to the market tomorrow. At first, it was hard, but after a few weeks, I could speak and understand faster. Step 6. Break long audio into small parts. Long conversations are difficult at first. I broke them into small pieces. I listened to one sentence or one paragraph many times until I understood it perfectly. For example, audio, yesterday I went to the park. I met my friend. We played football for 1 hour. I listened, first sentence, then second, then third. After practice, I could understand all together. Step 7. Listen to different accents. English is not only one accent. There is British, American, Australian, and more. I listened to different accents so I could understand everyone. For example, American, can you call me later? British, could you ring me later? At first, it was confusing, but practice made it easy. Step 8. Listen actively. Listening is not passive. You need to think and guess. If you don't understand a word, try to guess the meaning from the context. For example, I bought a huge watermelon at the market. Even if you don't know huge, you can guess it means big from the context. Step 10. Use transcripts and notes. I often use transcripts of podcasts or videos. I listened first, then read the transcript and compared what I heard. I also wrote new words and phrases in a notebook. This helped me remember and improve my listening skills faster. Step 11. Be patient and consistent. Listening takes time. I spent every day 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes more. Slowly, I noticed improvement. First, I could understand simple sentences. Then, longer conversations. Finally, I could watch movies and understand most of it. Step 11. Challenge yourself. After some time, I tried more difficult materials. English news, interviews, TED Talks. At first, I understood little, but I did not give up. Every day, my brain became faster and stronger in understanding English. Step 12. Enjoy listening. The most important thing is to enjoy it. I listen to topics I like: sports, travel, music. When you enjoy listening, your brain learns faster. Step 13. Practice with friends. Sometimes I listened and repeated with friends. We asked each other questions about the audio. This makes learning social and fun. Step 14. Don't translate everything. Do not try to translate every word into your language. Try to understand the meaning in English. This helps you think in English and understand faster. Step 15. Keep a listening journal. I wrote a small journal about what I listened to. For example, today I listened to a podcast about cooking. I understood 80%. I learned the word delicious and the phrase set the table. This helps you see your progress and motivates you to continue. Remember, listening is a skill, like running or swimming. You train your ears, your brain, and your memory. At first, it feels slow, but with daily practice, you will notice improvement every week. So now, I challenge you. Listen to one short audio today. Try to repeat it, write new words, and check your understanding. One small step every day brings big progress in listening. Thank you for watching. I hope my methods help you master English listening too. Remember, your ears can understand more than you think. Practice, enjoy, and stay motivated.